Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dead by Daylight easily. This game features two distinct roles, the killer and the survivors. As a survivor, your main goal is to repair 5 generators scattered across the map to power the 2 exit gates. Once powered, you can open an exit gate and escape. The killer, on the other hand, aims to prevent this by finding, downing, and sacrificing all 4 survivors on hooks before they can escape. Each role offers a unique and thrilling experience. As a survivor, your core task is generator repair. Working together with 1 or 2 teammates on a single generator significantly speeds up the process. When the killer finds you, use the environment to your advantage. Dropping pallets can stun the killer, buying you precious seconds, and vaulting windows can create distance. Remember, stealth is your friend. Hiding in lockers or behind tall objects can help you disappear from the killer's sight, allowing you to continue your mission. As the killer, your main focus is to prevent survivors from repairing generators. Patrol the map, especially around generators, to find and interrupt them. Once you spot a survivor, use your character's unique power to initiate a chase and eventually down them. After a survivor is downed, pick them up and carry them to one of the many sacrificial hooks. Hooking a survivor 3 times will eliminate them from the trial. Effective map pressure is key to securing a victory. To truly master Dead by Daylight, delve into the perk system. Each character has unique perks that can significantly alter gameplay, offering advantages like faster repairs or stronger chases. Understanding the different map layouts will give you a tactical edge, allowing for better escapes as a survivor or more efficient patrols as a killer. As a survivor, good communication with your team, often through in-game pings or external voice chat, is invaluable. Finally, anticipating your opponent's next move is a skill that comes with practice and leads to more successful outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.